Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen. Wassalatu wassalam ala Rasulillah. Assalamu alaikum, children.
Wa alaikum assalam rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Before we finished studying 3 lessons, today we also continue the first lesson. May Allah reward this Shaykh who wrote this book for us, because this book is very organized. The first lesson he started with Bismillah between 2 surah, because it is important to start Bismillah in everything you do. The second lesson, he wrote us the 3 methods to read the Quran, and the third, he made us to know what Tajweed is. And today we are going to study the lesson of Al-Lahn. So repeat with me. Al-Lahn هو الخطأ والميل عن الصواب عند القراءة. لحن is an error.
Lahan is an error
or deviation
from
from the correct reading. Number 1, لحن الجلي.
Lahanul Jali
لحن جلي ظاهر.
Zahirun,
A clear apparent لحن.
a clean apparent.
Number 2,
Number 2,
لحن خفي
Khafiyun,
مستتر.
Mustatirun,
A hidden concealed لحن. لحن جلي ظاهر. This is a mistake that anyone who reads the Quran can know. For example, if you pronounce kasra instead of dhamma, where we say an'amtu, you pronounce where we say an'amta, you pronounce an'amtu. The mistake is clear. Or if you pronounce o instead of ka, for example, instead of qalb, you pronounce kalb, and the meaning is very different, because qalb means heart and kalb means dog. Or where we pronounce ba'da, you pronounce ba'da, yet ba'da means some and ba'da means before. And if you read this way, it is serious, because you have changed how the Quran has descended, and subhanallah. And yet, if it is a matter of dunya, many people take it seriously. For example, if it is to do an interview for work, they prepare well what they must say, or answer to the employer. Yet it is Allah who created you and the employer, and you all will return to Allah, and He will ask you how you finished your use. As for lahn khafi, it is composed of 2 methods. The first method, any person who has done Tajweed will be able to understand the error if he hears someone do it. For example, if he does not apply the hunna, for example, the noon which has the shadda, the mim which has shadda, or the madud. But for other methods, it is only the scholars of science of Tajweed who can know it, or someone who know Tajweed, if he listen well, can know it. And especially the Shaykh who gives diploma of ijaza.
Wait a minute. I have a question. What is ijazatun?
Ijaza is when you recite the whole Quran by applying all the rules. You are giving ijaza where it is written who taught his sheikh and so on until we reach our prophet. And for example, in Saudi Arabia, and you know the teacher of our prophet is Jibril alayhi salam, but some scholars say to have ijaza it is enough to respect all the rule of the Quran even if you have not memorized that. Allah makes us have this diploma. Because even if you have a diploma here at the bottom of the word, you are happy. Imagine if you have this ijaza recognition from Allah, inshallah. Subhanallah, it is something that you wish for because it is your last home there. All that you have here is temporary. And the second method, as I say, is someone who masters Tajweed well, can know it. For example, at-takrir, by pronouncing ra, they make at-takrir by saying
Ra.
or by saying Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. In place of he, they pronounce he, like Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Today we stop there. سبحانك اللهم وبحمدك أشهد أن لا إله إلا أنت أستغفرك وأتوب إليك.